Warning, what we're about to show you is not your typical 150-foot deep estate lot here in Snow Valley, and it is not one backing onto 3 Cs and EP either.
What if I told you it's the largest lot in all of Snow Valley with more than 350 feet of depth, all backing onto 4 seasons of privacy? All that and more on today's episode. Welcome to 105 Mennill Drive. We are so excited to share this custom home with you. This home comes complete with 4 bedrooms, each with their own en-suites and walk-in closets. It has just shy of 2,400 square feet and has so many designer features and finishes top to bottom, not to mention an absolute backyard paradise.
That's right, Jules, the backyard is an absolute dream. What you can see beyond that is 200 feet into your own personal forest. This is a pie-shaped lot with 350 feet of depth. You're gonna love it. Let's get inside and take a look.
Welcome inside this spectacular home. We use the term great room so often, but this truly is a great room. We have 16-foot ceilings, a spectacular stone fireplace, and it all blends seamlessly into this gorgeous, timeless kitchen. This open concept feel is absolutely spectacular.
Welcome to the primary wing of the house. Now, one of the best parts is each bedroom has its own separate side of the house. Just through the door, you have a well-appointed ensuite, his and her closets, an entrance to your hot tub and your pool. One of the best parts as well is you have a heating system that runs all throughout this floor. It's roughed in just for you.
As Chad mentioned, the layout of this home offers optimal privacy for both bedrooms, with them being on opposite ends of the home. When this door is closed and the pocket doors are opened, it creates a secondary suite, complete with bedroom with loft area, walk-in closet, and full 4-piece bathroom. When this door is open and the pocket doors are closed, it's convenient access for all of your guests to use the washroom. This lower level just screams fun. I don't know how anybody couldn't have a good time down here, and it starts right here at the bar, complete with beverage fridge, wine fridge, and hidden dishwasher. And when the party needs to spread out a little bit, you've got plenty of room for that too, complete with a pool table and an area to lounge and relax and watch a movie. This space is flooded with natural light. It is absolute perfection.
Now, before we leave this lower level, it's really important for us to mention that all 4 bedrooms in this home have their own ensuite and walk-in closet. In fact, you wouldn't even know we're in the lower level right now with all of this natural light. It's pretty much a 2-story home. Enough about that, let's get to the fun.
When I said this was a backyard paradise, I wasn't exaggerating. There are so many features back here, starting with this fantastic water feature.
Now, if that didn't get you excited, how about the outdoor shower, your own personal sauna, or watching the stars in your own hot tub?
And the paradise vibe just keeps on rolling. Whether you need a reprise from the sun or it starts to drizzle, there's no better spot to relax and unwind than under this covered porch.
I can find a better spot, and it's right here in your own outdoor kitchen, whether it's the barbecue, the fridge to keep your beverages cold, or the access right to your bar, to your pool. This place just blows my mind. Just when you thought this backyard couldn't get any better, check out the green space behind us, and it takes us all the way down to this massive fire pit. We mentioned before it was 350 feet depth. One of the most impressive parts is you still have 200 feet of own private forest right behind us that leads you to all the trails and outdoor activities that you love.
We're the Knowles Woolsey team, and we know spring water. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.